Hi guys, I'm Sonu from You Can Speak Korean. Alright, as you see, today I'm going to tell you the subject how to make Korean sentences in Korean. The word order of Korean. Okay? Right, as you may know, the word order of English is SVO, whereas Korean word order is SOV. V. But here, I'd rather say predicate than verb in Korean. Okay, I want you to keep in mind that. Alright, now let's find out what makes the difference. Okay, first of all, in English, the subject is very prominent component. Okay, so that it shouldn't be omitted in a casual conversation, right? As you know, in Western culture, nouns such as a person, an animal, or nature, a thing, existing in the universe, right? That is independent, unique ones. Okay, and also the noun is categorized in terms of countable and uncountable. Okay, right? So according to noun, the verb is fixed. Okay, for example, if you see a cup of water here, water, noun, right? And cup, noun. Okay? So you fix this verb drank. Simple past tense, drank, right? For the two facts that drink. Drink, right? A drink. Drink means taking some liquid into your mouth and swallow it. Only liquid. Okay, in English. All right. So the verb drank connect the subject I and a cup of water. Now. All right. So in other words, Western culture is result oriented. Okay. So the function of verb is to put subject and object, group of nouns, together. Right? And it's followed after subject. Okay? So, I drank a cup of water in English. Alright? But unlike English, in Asian mindset, they focus on the matter, like a person, a thing, an animal, nature. They are interconnected, like noun A, noun B, noun C, noun D, group of nouns. Okay, they are interconnected, like the web, spider's web. Okay, so in Korean language, the object is prominent component. component. I can say like a topic prominent. Topic prominent like time, place, a person, a thing, right? When, where, how, what. Okay, right? They are topic prominent. Okay, so topic prominent is more important to Asian people. That's why they put the topic after the subject. After the subject. Okay, and the predicate that has multiple meanings is the last. Okay, especially Korean culture is relationship oriented, right? For that reason, Korean people have a conversation without subject and object particle so often. Alright? Without subject. Okay, so drink in Korean 마시다, simple past tense, to drink, 마셨다. Okay, in Korean drink, literally drink, 마시다 means human, animals, plants take the liquid and air into their body. Okay, liquid, air, okay, into one Korean verb. What? 마시다. Okay, 마시다 has multiple meanings like take liquid and take air. Okay. So we human being, right, could take in oxygen, right, because of photosynthesis, right, and plants absorb water, right, from the nature. Animals create plants and give us food, right? So those biological mechanisms can be separated, right, and is very significant for Asian people, right, especially Korean people. Okay, that's why we put the prominent component in the position of object. Okay, do you get it? Alright. So on weekend, right, people go to the mountain, right, for refreshing. Okay, so in the middle of the hiking, people would say like this. Okay, I drank some fresh air and the spring water, right, in English. Okay, but the first sentence is grammatically wrong, right? Why? The verb drank, okay, the verb drank is not suitable for the fresh air in English, right? Okay, so we have to use the verb breathe, right? I breathed some fresh air and drank the spring water like this in English. Okay, right? But how about Korean? The fresh air, 신선한 공기, and spring water, 샘물 are key factor. Right? In the previous slide, I said the Korean verb predicate, right, that has multiple meanings, right? So fresh air, spring water 마시다. Okay, so that's object. So we need objective marker particle 을. Okay. So 마셨다, 마셨어요, 마셨어요. Should be in the last position. Okay. So 저는 신선한 공기와 샘물을 마셨어요. 저는 신선한 공기와 샘물을 마셨어요. Okay, but 저는 신선한 공기와 샘물을 마셨어요. This sentence sounds very awkward to Korean people. Okay, this sentence can be seen in a textbook for foreign people. Okay, what I want to say is this sentence is very awkward, right? In a casual conversation in Korean. Okay, do you get it what I say? So I want to say to Korean learners whose level is beginner or low intermediate. Okay, you guys should stick to the standard sentence. Okay, standard sentence like this. Okay, till you get used to the more natural sentences like this. Okay, all right. So without the subject and particle 는 and object particle, okay, we say like 신선한 공기와 샘물 마셨어요. formal. 신선한 공기와 샘물 마셨어. informal. Okay, so these sentences are more natural even though there are no subject marking particle and object marking particle. Okay, it came from the relationship-oriented culture. Okay, so let's move on. Another example. Okay, what did you do last weekend? What did you do last weekend? I saw the movie Squid Game. You know Squid Game, right? I saw the movie Squid Game. Squid Game. Okay, but the movie, noun, the movie 영화, okay, and squid, noun, 오징어, and noun, game, in Korean, game. Okay, they are what? Prominent component. Okay, right? So they are after the subject. Okay, so right here, movie, 영화, Squid Game, 오징어 게임을, 영화, 오징어 게임을, and the predicate so, last position. 봤어요. 봤어요. Okay, so lastly, 저는 영화 오징어 게임을 봤어요. 저는 영화 오징어 게임을 봤어요. 봤어요. Okay, but whenever you say like this in Korean, okay, like I said, it's very awkward. Okay, we don't say it like this in Korean. All right. Okay, so subject 저, subject 저, okay, and particle 는 is omitted. All right, so often, and the object marking particle 을 is dropped as well. Okay, 영화 오징어 게임 봤어요. Like this. Okay. All right. That's all for today. All right. I hope you understand the basic of Korean word order. Okay, what made the difference? Okay, SOV. All right. Okay. Thank you for your watching. Okay, and see you on the next video. Okay. All right. Have a good day, and see you next time. All right. Bye bye.